Hi, my name is Shannon Keel. I am the Heritage Chick, salon owner, stylist, and hair educator. I wanted to come because I wanted to show you how to use your new restructuring line from Monat. I love these products. I just used them on my hair the last couple of days and my curls are feeling very happy. A lot of moisture, a lot of shine. What these products will do is to help give your hair that slick feel. You know, when you run your hands over it, you can feel that shine and that sleek feel. A lot of our products do not ever leave any kind of buildup. Matter of fact, they remove them. So when you're using these products, we do have a plant-based silicone that is good for you. It's not going to build up on your hair ever. I have a plant-based keratin in these products. They are going to make your hair feel, I'm telling you, this is a game changer. They will make your hair feel really amazing without leaving any kind of buildup and heaviness on your hair. So when you use these products, think about this. This is who these products are for. These are products that are for if your hair is damaged, very damaged, over-processed, breaking. They are going to help restore your bonds, restore your elasticity, which is super important with having healthy hair, and healthy hair is everything. So I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to use these products. I'm going to use my husband as a model because why not? He is an amazing musician that you would probably enjoy following him and his band. I'll put the link below. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching my video on how to use our newest line with Monat called the restructuring line. If you haven't ordered yours yet, please order it. It's amazing. Your hair will love you. Comment below and I will be happy to help you. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat as the Heritage Chick. Thank you for watching.